Here we go again.
So your time has finally come. You are ready and in a position to start seriously considering your journey to home ownership. It can be exciting and overwhelming as you navigate for the first time and get bombarded with tons of information, leaving you wondering who has your best interest at heart. I'm here to say, as a licensed professional, I am held to a higher standard to be your fiduciary throughout the process and hold your interests above my own.
We have an arrangement now.
Hey guys, my name is Omar Pineda with eXp Realty, and allow me to go over some pros and cons before you make any moves when looking for property in and around Austin. Let's review some of the pros first. Number 1, building home equity can help you increase your wealth over time, especially if you purchased your home when the market was in a buyer's favor. A home is one of the only assets that has the potential to appreciate in value as you pay it down, according to expert Kim Porter, a personal finance expert and writer for Bankrate.
Nice one. What else you got?
Number 2, you gain tax advantages. Mortgage interest is tax deductible as per IRS code. You can speak to your accountant for more specific information and numbers. This can be a significant tax savings when owning a home.
Okay, what else you got? Give me another one.
Number 3, rents have a tendency to go up over time, while a fixed rate loan for a mortgage will stay the same, giving you more predictability when it comes to your expenses, which is better long term at forecasting your budget and expenses.
So far, so good.
Number 4, you can stabilize your payments. Monthly payments are relatively steady if your loan has a fixed interest rate, while your landlord can increase your rent.
Are we there yet?
Number 5, you'll have a secure place for your family to live and grow. You can also decorate and expand your home in a way that you would like to create your dream home. Number 6, gain a sense of community. Homeowners often are more involved in the well-being of their communities. Many homeowners work together for better schools and less crime. Now, I have to be honest here. I could go on and on about the benefits, but let's talk about the cons when purchasing a home in Austin, Texas, in Williamson County.
Oh boy, here we go again.
Number 1, you need to think about maintenance costs. It takes work and money to keep a home in good condition. It's sort of like your car. If you don't change the oil, the car can blow up.
This is a bummer, man.
Number 2, it can tie up your cash. Selling a house may not be possible during the first few years of ownership. Moving is more difficult and complicated, and you may not have as much flexibility in choosing a new job location.
Jeez, that thing sucks.
Number 3, your home can fluctuate in value. There is no guarantee that your home will increase in value. Anything of value that can go up can certainly come down, so keep that in mind when it comes to your home appreciation in terms of value. Best practice is to treat this like a long-term investment. With time, the housing market has statistically proven to appreciate positively over time.
Time is of the essence in these cases.
Number 4, obligation toward your finances. When you buy a home, you're obligated to make that monthly payment no matter what. So it's always a good idea to have an emergency fund that will cover up your expenses for up to 3 months, giving you peace of mind. Life is hard. Home buying shouldn't be. I'm here to help. As always, my name is Omar Pineda, and allow me to elevate your lifestyle.